Hello everyone, you might remember me last time I did the headlight restoration with toothpaste, and that was for the temporary fix. So this time I'm going to do it for real with sandpaper and spray paints. So first of all, you're gonna need around 400 to 600 grit of sandpaper, depending on how bad the headlights are. So what you're gonna do is wrap up the headlights and start scrubbing them in just one side only. Just scrub it one way. Do not make circles around it. Just scrub it sideways, and that's it. So when you scrub, make sure it's clean and make sure it's wet. You can use a spray to spray it onto the headlight, or just make sure it's wet before you sand it. So what you're gonna do is keep sanding it until the headlight is smooth without any damages left. I'm pretty sure you might have seen a lot of similar videos posted on YouTube already. I'm just going to do it just to show you that this actually works, and because I am in no way any professional or anything. I do not have any experience in cars. I only have a week working in a mechanic shop, and that's it. So this is totally doing it myself, a totally DIY style, and just to show you that it's not risky at all. It won't damage your headlights in any way if you do it properly. So once you're done sanding it, feel it again and make sure it's very smooth and there are no slight patches or anything left, and you can start cleaning it up and you can start wrapping the car up and start spraying it. When you're about to spray your car, make sure it's wrapped better than mine. You need to wrap a little bit more just to protect your other parts from being sprayed in. I did this because I don't really care about it, so as long as the paint goes on the headlights, I'm fine with it. If your car is new or your car's paint is in very good condition, just make sure you wrap it up very nicely so that the spray doesn't go everywhere. You can spray on 2 coats of the clear coat if you want to. Just spray it once, wait for a few minutes and do it again, just to give it a little deeper, a more complete spray. And now it's done, you just have to wait for it to dry out and you'll see a very big difference. These headlights look really ugly before, and now it's very nice looking and it's really clear. So this is how you do it. It's really simple. All you need is an empty space, a lot of newspapers, a spray paint that costs literally nothing, and this is all you need to do, and to make your headlights look new and very clean.